We'll just wrap it up so that it's not too strong. Oh, there you go. Why don't we stand like this? No. He's not happy, man. There we go.
And why are we doing this?
We're doing this so that we can try to remind the brain where the feet are. We find that if we can bombard the sensory receptors with messages towards the brain about where the foot is in space, it can help them when they're trying to move around.
He says, I've had enough. And we say, you haven't. Not yet. Oh, you're a good boy, Duffy.
And it's good to do it on both sides. Both, if you have one side that's affected, it's good to do it on both sides because the brain's constantly comparing. So,
what about getting him to step on one foot and then the other now?
Okay, so let's see if we can try and do. Oh no, we can start slow to begin with, and that's sort of a progression that we can build up towards. But if we can do that sort of 3 times for 30 seconds, once or twice a day, and see whether that has any improvement on his function. Okay.
You're supposed to be walking over the straws, sweetie. You're not supposed to be coming to Mum.
Come on. No, you're much more interesting right now. But this is all good. This is all really good exercise for him. So have you seen an improvement? Yeah.
Yeah. When he was really sick, he couldn't climb at all. And if you put him there, he just was terrified. He just froze.
Yeah. What happens if you put something in his mouth? Can he still climb? Or does he really rely on his mouth?
He relies on his beak to pull him up.
Okay. Can you lift up your other foot, mate? Good man. Good man. And then down.
He's saying, go away. I'm not sure I like this.
Can you feel your feet though? You can feel your feet. Up, up. Good boy. Oh, almost. Alright. Are you going to get back up? Up, up. Back on. Good boy. There we go. Can you feel your feet? Look at that. Look at that. And up. Good boy. And down. Can we go up with the other foot? Up, up. Oh, we lost it.